ABML Morning Update. Broad-based gain in market as sentiment improves while FPIs turn cautiously optimistic.
Global markets. US markets closed lower on Thursday, giving up earlier gains, led by declines in bank stocks on worries about bad loans. Traders also juggled persistent trade tensions and an ongoing US government shutdown. The Dow fell 0.7%, while S&P and Nasdaq shed 0.6% and 0.5% respectively. The decline in stocks coincided with a jump in the CBOE volatility index and moves lower in bond yields and the US dollar. The VIX spiked to its highest since May, while the 10-year Treasury yield fell and broke below 4%. The US dollar index lost nearly 0.5%. Trade tensions between China and the US recently increased, adding to volatility on Wall Street. President Donald Trump last week threatened to place an additional 100% tariff on any goods coming from China in response to the country's new export controls on rare earth minerals. Investors are also keeping a watchful eye as the US government shutdown continues for a third week. The stoppage has led to an indefinite shutdown of crucial economic data releases from federal agencies. European stocks closed higher on Thursday after regional markets continued to seesaw this week. The Pan-European Stocks 600 index provisionally ended up around 0.6%, with major bosses in positive territory. Domestic market, Indian equity indices ended on a positive note on October 16th. At close, the Sensex was up 1.04% at 83,468, and the Nifty was up 1.03% at 25,585. Gift Nifty trades lower by 41 points at 25,601, signaling a muted start to the trading session. India's FMCG sector is showing signs of recovery, with reports suggesting that the upcoming GST 2.0 rollout and easing inflation could boost consumer spending. According to World Panel by Numerator, FMCG volumes grew 3.9% and value by 5.4% in the year ended July 2025, marking 5 quarters of steady growth. Cooling commodity prices and stable demand may help sustain this momentum. However, the gap between volume and value growth widened to 5.5 percentage points due to higher prices. Spending on essentials like biscuits, soaps, and cosmetics has risen, though discretionary categories like fabrics saw a dip. Average household spending has surged 1.3 times over the past 3 years, despite inflationary pressures and limited income growth.
Focus for the day. EUR CPI, US Industrial Production, JSW Energy, Q2 FY26 results, corporate development/policy actions. Waaree Energy's Q2 consolidated net profit surged 133% year-over-year to 842 crore rupees, with revenue up 70% to 6,065 crore rupees. EBITDA rose 168% to 1,405 crore rupees, and margins improved to 23.17% from 14.7% year-over-year.
IKS Health has launched a generative AI-based multi-agent platform on Google Cloud using Gemini models and Vertex AI, designed to automate up to 80% of routine healthcare tasks such as insurance approvals, document processing, and prior authorizations. KFin Technologies acquired a 51% stake in Ascent Fund Services for $35 million, entering the global fund administration space and expanding its assets under administration to $340 billion across 18 countries. JSW Infrastructure reported a 26% year-on-year rise in Q2 FY26 revenue to 1,372 crore rupees, supported by higher cargo volumes and the inclusion of logistics subsidiary Navkar Corporation. EBITDA grew 18% to 716 crore rupees, while PAT stood at 369 crore rupees. FII bought shares worth 9.97 billion rupees, while DII also bought for 40.76 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.